Composite figures are seen throughout your lesson 22 assignment, and a lot of you seem to be struggling with them, so I'm going to show you two examples. The two examples I took directly from your assignment. This one I changed the numbers on, and the other one doesn't have any numbers. So a composite figure means that it can be split into more than one shape or object. So in this one it looks like an L, but I can make it into two shapes right here. So if I cut it straight down here, I now have a rectangle and I have a rectangle. Now I know that when we talk about rectangles, the area is length times width. So since I know this, I can find the area of here and the area of here. So here's my length. That's really my width, but okay. Width, length right here. This number I don't need at all because it doesn't help me. So here, I'm gonna do 10 times 2. Let's make this a different number because that doesn't make sense. Okay, so 10 times 2, which equals 20. So this is my length times my width. So this rectangle is 20 millimeters, square millimeters. Okay, now do the same thing for here. So length times width. Now I split this one in half, so 15 really is not my length because 15 is from here to here. But this one we only want from here to here. But if I look up here, that is only 10. So I could do 10, and then here's my height, times 2. So that is 20. Okay, so we have 20 and 20 for both of them. Now if I want to add them together, so I could figure out what the whole shape is, I'm just going to add them together. So I would do, let's go over here, 20 plus 20, which equals 40. So this whole object is 40 square millimeters. Okay, that's one composite object. So I cut it in half, and then I found each section, the area of each section. Next one. Okay, here's another one. This looks like number 16 on your questions. So we have 10 feet here, we have 10 here, we have 12, 5, 20, 25, and 20 over here. So I can split this image into different objects too. Now, an easy way to do that is to cut it right across here and right across here. So now I have this rectangle and I have these two squares. So I can do base times height, base times height, base times height. So I have 10 times 12 here. I have the same thing here, 10 times 12. And then here, this 5 doesn't really help me because it's just a small piece. I want this entire length, so that's 25. And I want just this right here. Now there's no number right here, but I do know that this entire thing is 20 and just this part is 12. So I can do 20 minus 12. Okay, I get 8. So that means this right here is 8 feet. So now I can do 25 times 8 equals. So you're gonna have an answer here, an answer here, and an answer here. Then you're gonna add all those together. So you'll have the top rectangle plus the bottom square plus the bottom square, and that will equal your total. Okay, so you can split them into objects to help you.